Hello and welcome to this video. Maybe you remember my last video where I tried to improve the core of this padlock, and finally all the guts fell out of the thing and I couldn't reassemble it. But now I was lucky and finally I understood how to reassemble it, and I will tell you how I did it. So this is the complete padlock. I will disassemble it first. Okay, we have the core. Here I pull it out, and then we see the cam inside. That is perfectly sitting in place, and that was the problem. That cam somehow fell out. Now it's really stiff. First the screw. Now it's too stiff, but I think I'll get it. Okay, here we are. So now all the guts are out. Looks like this. So we have two ball bearings. The core, spring for the shackle, and this cam with the spring, and little metal thing, I don't know, O-ring, or I don't know how this is called in English. So how to reassemble that lock? First we need to insert the shackle. So the spring goes here. Then the two ball bearings go inside in their holes, but it's really fiddling around with those two metal balls because they fall out very easily when you deal with the lock. And so I have a little bit of I don't know how this is called, fat in German, that I can do inside the hose. And now if I insert the ball bearings just in a moment, they will stay in place. So again, this is the right side. No, that's the other side. Goes like that. I have to push the shackle a little bit, just the lightning. So, and then with a screwdriver we can push the ball bearings in place, and they will stay there. But now if I release the shackle, they will pop out. So I will take this tape here, to fix it. Okay, I will prepare this and then I will be back in a minute. Hold on. Alright, so the shackle is fixed and the ball bearings are in place. Now it's about the most difficult part. We have to combine these three parts, and this cam here, I will give you a closer view to that. This will go inside that hole, and that's not enough. Also the spring must be at the right place, and it goes like that. And this metal plate, this O-ring, goes up there, but we need to have a spring tension, so we need to rotate it around that corner, and here it is. It's now in a fixed position, as you can see, and this little thing here is just for hanging at that edge so that it doesn't rotate back because of the spring tension. So now we are almost done, and take my tweezers and try to insert it here. So this round thing here goes into the groove. So now the core goes in, and the metal plate, and I need a pick or whatever, because this goes like so. Insert that one. Then I can remove the fixation. Because I need to open it in order to set the screw, to turn the screw. So it's open now. I can insert the screw. Need a screwdriver. Alright, and works. That is my nice key without the sharp edges. Take that one, cluck. Again, works perfectly. So that's how you can repair a spring-loaded padlock if it happens to you that the goods, the parts fall out. And well, actually it's not so difficult, but you need to know how. And well, that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Happy picking. Bye bye.